When designing products that leverage routing curves, like hoses for example, it's often advantageous for manufacturing purposes to design them to a specific length. New for this release of Onshape, the routing curve has a new setting for spline curves to do just this. When enabled, Onshape will present the current length of the routing curve and allow you to specify a desired length. Onshape will then make adjustments along the length of the curve to add or remove length where it can, getting as close to the desired value as possible. This removes the necessity for complex math or manual adjustments to create a length that accurately represents the desired manufacturing or purchased product.
Working with measurements just got a powerful upgrade. Previously, measurements only appeared in the design area when hovering in the dialog. Now you can keep those visuals on screen. Selecting a measurement of interest keeps it visible as you investigate the design. Best yet, it updates instantaneously through motion. This gives you a clearer, consistent view of your measurements.
Creating a sweep with twist or scale, Onshape no longer requires the profile to be coincident to the endpoint of one of the path entities. For example, it may fall somewhere along the segment of the path, but not the end of that segment. This unlocks new ways to incorporate sweeps that include twist and sweeps into your designs.
Imported geometry with errors can block your release process. Even if you add features to fix the issue, the original import still shows as faulty, keeping the part studio in an error state. In the past, you may have resorted to exporting and re-importing, but now all you need to do is right-click the faulty part and choose Ignore Faulty Part. This moves the part from an error to a warning state, allowing you to proceed with the release. Ignored parts are clearly indicated with icons and tooltips across part studios, assemblies, and drawings, so you stay informed while staying productive.
Onshape introduces the ability to apply arc length dimensions on drawings, giving you more ways to dimensionally define your curve geometry for your manufacturing documentation. This release of Onshape introduces the ability to tag comments directly to sketch dimensions. This makes it easier to communicate your thoughts and ideas with the rest of your team by allowing you to target specific dimensions. Auxiliary views are especially useful for capturing manufacturing details at non-orthogonal angles. New for this release, Onshape introduces the ability to add auxiliary views along a cylindrical axis in addition to the previous two options. When this option is selected, you can then select a circular edge to use its axis as the direction for the new auxiliary view. From there, you can keep the view aligned to its parent view or break the alignment and freely place the new auxiliary view and continue detailing like any other view in Onshape. This new auxiliary view projection is especially useful for projecting from complex compound angle geometry, where it may otherwise require creating multiple projection and auxiliary views to capture the relevant information. This release of Onshape introduces the ability to specify standards for the fit tolerance of your dimensions. Additionally, these same fit tolerance standards can be set for hole callouts uniquely as well. Once defined, when you add a fit tolerance to your drawing, it will default to the appropriately defined standard. However, you can now also individually change the standard of the fit tolerance on a per dimension basis to meet your unique needs. This will filter the fit tolerances to those specific to the defined standard. This allows you more flexibility to focus on the correct manufacturing information needed for your designs.
Have you ever wanted to swap your referenced Onshape geometry in Render Studio for something completely different? Spoiler alert, now you can. Right-click any top-level part, Part Studio, or assembly in the scene list and choose Replace Reference. This opens the item picker, allowing you to replace a source, beyond versions and configs, while preserving your meticulous scene structure. Behind the scenes, Render Studio updates the reference, along with all associated scene data, so you can continue working toward those perfect renders.
Onshape has had the capability to filter by publications and documents for some time now. New for this release for Onshape Enterprise users, a similar filter is now available for folders and projects. This makes it much simpler to find the documents you want to work on and enables you to focus on the specific task at hand.
Full 3D routing curves are now available natively on iOS and Android for Onshape Mobile. Here, I've started process of creating a routing curve to construct a wire in the context of this assembly. Simply add points along the way where you think you're going to have the path jog. These points are easily editable after the fact, where you can just go ahead, pick a point. You can select derivative here if you want it to be normal to the end, or I can select any point here on the screen graphically and just drag it with the new triad manipulator, which is now also available on the mobile platform. Here, I'm just going to go ahead and sweep along a curve so we have our wire. Now, with AR view on mobile, when you place an object and scale it with pinch to zoom, you will notice a scale appears above the 3D image, showing you the current scale factor of the model. Get close to 1, it will snap right back into place.